Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Slides. In this module, I want to show you how you can insert a video and how you can insert a chart and edit a chart in a slideshow. So first of all, title slide I'll do for this one. My slides. I won't bother with a subtitle. I'll just get myself a new slide. And it comes in as a bullet list. Now the first thing I want to do is add a video. So I'll put my video, and then I'm clicking into this space and going insert, and then down this list you've got video, and it gives you different options. So you've got YouTube and your own Google Drive. So I'll pick this one and then just insert that. Now you can make this slightly bigger and you can resize this and you can get this to play automatically. It's totally up to you. So it's on click at the moment, but if I come over here and play automatically, that will just start playing as soon as I get to that point. Now if I get a YouTube video, I'll call this one YouTube, and then I'll just search for an Excel video. So same thing, insert video, this time YouTube, and I'll search for an Excel one. There's just a few Excel videos on YouTube, like 10 million. I'll pick this one, Kevin, insert that one, and again you can position that. I'll stop Kevin talking. I don't want to listen to him just yet. Make that a little bit bigger, and it's on click. I'll get that one to play automatically as well. And then the last thing I want to do is just add a chart and show you how to edit a chart. If I go insert chart, I'll go for a column chart. So a column chart comes in, and then you have to go into Google Sheets to edit this. So if I go onto these little dots, open source, you need to do, it will open up a sheets telling you what the actual source is. Now that drops down a bit onto row 7, so you might be thinking it's not doing anything, but basically you just need to overtype your data here. And if I just put men and women there, I'll leave the figures and I'll go 22, 23, 24, 25 as the years. That's coming across the bottom there. There you go. So you come back to your slides and then you have to update this, and then that will pull that information through into this chart. So there's your 4 slides. If I go on to the first slide, there's my title. I can go and have a look at this now. So this button allows you to select it from the beginning. I'm already on the beginning, but if I click on it, it puts it up into full screen, and then I just press through it and it should play automatically. So that's playing automatically there. Press again, goes onto the YouTube video, that's playing automatically. Press again, shows me my chart. Press again and escape, and it comes back down to this view. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can insert videos from YouTube or from your drive, and how you can create a chart and edit that chart's data so that it reflects what you want it to reflect. So hopefully this little video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.